Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, hope you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine, fine. So yesterday we discussed about the enterprise structure, right? So we discussed about the enterprise structure starting from client and company and the company code and the sales organization. So till sales organization we have discussed, and we have seen many scenarios, real-time business scenarios, how the company will be defined, on what basis it is going to be defined, how company code will be defined, and what is the relationship between the company and the company code, right? Or else company code to company. So always remember, whenever the interviewer asks, if he takes company is a first and company code is a second, you have to say one to many. Okay. If he takes the name of company code to company, okay, in the reverse way, company code to company, you have to say many to one. Okay. So this is the way how to answer and how to understand the relationship between the each arg units. And parallelly, we saw what is the sales organization. That is a very first organizational unit in the sales and distribution module, right? So in a real-time scenario, I have explained the how the implementation team, like how the implementation team will suggest to business or client. So which on what basis they have to go for the sales organization, whether they can go for the corporate office level or head office level, or they can go for the regions level. Okay, but the thing is very important is the recommendable is very minimal number of sales organization, because we will have a number of sales areas, right? That sales area is purely depends on the combination of sales organization and distribution channel and division. To minimize the number, so we have to go with the minimal numbers. But for as far as talk about the distribution channel, that is the next organizational unit. I am going to explain the what is the distribution channel, how the consideration of the distribution channel in the real-time business scenario, how we can map from the as is process to be process. Okay. Hope you have gone through this presentation, because I have kept in the share folder. So whenever you get a chance, better you go through the each and every materials, and even the parallelly my Excel sheet and recorded sessions. And parallelly, then you should have a notebook and your own materials. You have to note down in your own language or methodology, because it depends on different persons and different mental ability, right? They may have their own methodologies to how to understand the scenarios, how to convert those knowledgeable scenarios into their own language, right? It differs person to person. So better my suggestion is, you should also start by noting down your own notes and preparing your own notes. That may become some expertise. So let us go. We'll talk about the distribution channel. Okay. So what is the distribution channel? See, think that you as a company, there is a business. Okay. There is a business and there is a customer. Okay. This is a company or business. This is a customer. Okay. And there are some products. There are some products that company is responsible for to manufacture those products, and they are doing the business of those products. For example, as I explained, there is a Good Day biscuits, right? Good Day biscuits. Some are normal biscuits, some are cashew flavored, right? Some are like so other dry fruits flavored. Okay. So think that they have multiple products, but is a this is a that is a biscuit products only. You have only single division. So let me discuss when the division topic comes. As of now, this is a single product. Okay, biscuits product. So this product I am going to sell to my customers. I'm going to sell my customers. How you are selling to your customer? How your product, how your product will reach us to customer. This product has to reach from company to customer, right? How it will be reaching to customer. So that is called as a distribution channel. Distribution channel. Distribution channel is the okay. It is the way, or it is the means, or it is the through, or it is the channel, or it is the medium through which your saleable products will reach us to customer place. Or it is the channel, or it is the medium, or it is the way, or it is the through your saleable product will be distributed to customer. In the name itself, you will have two names, two words. One is a distribution, another is a channel. Channel is it is the way, and distribution means so you have to service your product. How you will do service? So you will supply the products through the various channels. What are all those channels? One is a wholesale. There is a type of channels. Wholesale distribution channel is a wholesale and retail and and e-commerce. Okay, and there is a institutional sales. Institutional sales. Okay, these are all the methodologies or channels. Sometimes you may see the instead of wholesale, you may see dealer or distributor. Both are same. They are also comes under wholesale only usually. Sometimes some companies they may use wholesale. Sometimes they may use dealer or distributor. Usually in business, what happens if the company is selling? If the company, this is a manufacturing company, and it is selling directly to distributor. Distributor is a city wise, major city wise, district wise. There will be a one customer that is common customer. Okay, he will distribute to local retailers. Okay, distributor or you can say wholesaler also. There will be a one wholesaler. Okay, the company to this is also distributor also is having business. Okay, this is also business. In normal terminology, it is called as a B2B, B2B scenario, business to business. Okay, business to business. And sometimes retail may also come into the business to business, or sometimes it is a usually retail also come into the B2B only. Retail also. Okay, retail also come into the picture. Whereas e-commerce is not to B2B. It is like business to consumer or customer through third party. Through third party. Third party is whom like Flipkart, Amazon, right? Flipkart, Amazon, Mintra. Okay, those platforms are third party. What they will do? Just it is a platform. They will serve the platform where customer can directly log in and they will place an order. But supplier will be the main, who is the main supplier or who is the main producer, whoever may be. That supplier will sell the product to the consumer through the third party. Institutional sales, it is a government bodies, okay, where some government, for example, if you take the any DC office or any SP office or anything, okay, those will be a government office. If they want to, purchase a car or a van or a vehicle from the Tata Motors. So what they will do, they will have the facility of selling their product to directly the government companies or government officers through the institutional sales. There is no mediator. Government can buy from directly from company. Okay, that is nothing but the institutional sales. So hope this is clear. What is the distribution channel? Distribution channel is it is the means or through or the way or the medium or the channel through which the company's saleable products will reach us to customer. So what are those channels? It is a dealer or distributor, wholesaler, retail, e-commerce, institutional sales. Okay. Some companies they may have dealer distributor. Some companies they have even though dealer distributor and even though retailer, some may not have e-commerce, some may not have institutional sales. So it depends how they sell their products. It depends on their business. Okay. So as I explained, so this is the definition of the distribution channel, and the goods and services will reach to the customer by following way or means. How? Wholesale, from factory to dealer or distributor. Retailers, it is more or big bazaar, demand, right? Those are also business partners or business. E-commerce, online, it is Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. And there is a one more institutional sales, that is government officers or government agencies. Okay. And the distribution channel is represented by, or it is denotified by 2 digits alphanumeric code. If you see here, this is the distribution channel, and this can be coded as, right, defined as 2 digits alphanumeric code. Okay. Then distribution channel will be assigned to what, which organizational unit. If you see this diagram, this distribution channel, it is assigned, right, it is assigned to sales organization. And the relationship between the sales organization and distribution channel, or distribution channel to sales organization, both will be many to many. Okay. The maybe see, if you see north sales organization have these many distribution channel, and south sales also it is having these many distribution channel. East also it is having these many distribution channel. West also they may use these many distribution channel, because all regions are, they may use they sell their product based on this medium or this channel. Okay, because of that it is many to many. The relationship between the sales organization to distribution channel or distribution channel to sales organization, it will be many to many. We can see when we do the assignment na, you can understand what is the one to one, one to many, or many to one, so you can easily understand. And next point is, who is the responsible to create a distribution channel in the real-time project? So since it is a part of SD organizational unit, the SD consultant is responsible to define the distribution channel. Okay. The SD consultant is responsible to define the distribution channel in the real-time project. So example, as I explained, wholesaler, retailer, dealer, distributor, e-commerce. Okay, sometimes direct sales. Sometimes what they do, they can directly sell it to the customer also. Some companies may be there. Okay, that kind of companies also they can do. Okay, and institutional, as I explained, government. Okay, this is all about the distribution channel. Coming to the division. So division is a nothing but a simple. If when we talk about the division, it is a product category. Division is nothing but a it is a product line. Product line, or we can say as categorization of product, or what is called as categorization of product, or the group of products products which is having same characteristics. Okay, these many definition you can use, or you can define your division. What is the division? It is a product line, or it is a categorization of your products, or group of product which is having a same characteristics. How we can define our products? For example, okay, for example, you have a FMCG company. Okay, there is a FMCG company. Okay, in FMCG company, okay, there is a baby care products. Whatever may be the baby care products, it may be a baby soap. Okay, baby soap. It may be a baby shampoo. Okay, it may be a baby oil, right? So whatever may the product which is related to the baby care, that will be called as one division. It will be division one. Okay, and there will be a healthcare product. Some, okay, healthcare product or skin care product, for example. Skin care product, it is for adults. Okay, skin care products, it is for adults. Okay, so like maybe a sunscreen lotion. Okay, sunscreen lotion. Okay, and maybe some oils. Okay, screen oils. Okay, and some maybe like some soaps. Okay, so these kind of products which may comes under skincare products that can be used by the adults. Just example I'm telling. And some healthcare products. Healthcare product means so it will be helpful for their stamina. Okay, like Dabur Chyawanprash. Okay, Dabur Chyawanprash. Okay, so okay, and some other like dry fruits, whatever may be dry fruits. Example I'm telling you. Okay, some many powders. Okay, that powders which is mixed with the like badam powders, say badam powder. These will be comes under healthcare products. This is division two. This is division two. If you take pharmacy company, if you take pharmacy company, you can categorize the product as division one. It is general medicine. Okay, general medicine. Second division may be okay. The second division may be division two may be dental care products. Okay, division three may be this cardiology product. Okay, and division four may be dermatology. So whatever may be the as per the medical terms, so whatever may be the different sections are there in the medicals, right? So those kind of they will categorize their product as per their divisions. So this is about the division. What is the division? That is a product line or categorization of product or group of product which is having same characteristics, right? Dental care products which is applicable for only dental treatment. So it is the same characteristics. Cardiology, who are having the heart diseases, heart related issues, that is related to the cardiology project. That is same characteristics. Okay. This is about the how we can define the divisions. Okay. Division is nothing but a product line or classification of products or categorization of products. Grouping of product which are having same characteristics or similar in nature is called division. For example, division are defined as below. Heart related medicine, division 1, that is cardiology. Skin related medicine, it is division 2, that is dermatology. If it is dental medicines, it is division 3, that is dental care products. It is also represented by two digits alphanumeric code, and division will be, it is also assigned to your sales organization. This is also will be assigned to your sales organization. And the relationship between the both, either it may be a sales organization to division or division to sales organization, it is many to many. One thing you remember, those the organizational unit which is higher level of organizational unit. For example, what are all the higher organizational unit for the each module? For example, if you talk about the FI, FI, which is the higher organizational unit here, company code. Company code is the highest organizational within the FI module. If you take the SD, which is the highest organizational unit, it is a sales organization, right? It is a sales organization. If you take the MM, which is the highest organizational unit, it is plant. Whenever you use the higher level of organizational unit and you are maintaining or making the relationship between the higher organizational to unit to some other, so that will be like that will be a one to many or many to one. For example, see, it is plant to company code, right? Whenever you are making higher to higher, it is many to one or one to many. Okay, even though here sales organization to company code, it is many to one or one to many. And company code to company, it is many to one or one to many. Whereas other subdivisions or organizational unit, always it is many to many. See, you can see anywhere many to many, many to many, many to many, right? So you can easily remember this. And the who is responsible for to create a division in the real time scenario? It is a SD consultant. The responsibility of to create a or to define the division in real time project is SD consultant. The SD consultant is responsible for to define it. And for example, I have taken here pharmacy. If you take the automobile also, there is a passenger vehicles. Okay, there is a commercial vehicles. Commercial vehicles like buses, lorries, right? So tractors, those are all commercial vehicles. If passenger vehicles, it is a four-wheeler, like whatever cars you are using now, those kind of like cars will be passenger vehicles. Next, sales office. This. Okay. So sales office usually it is a physical location. It is the physical location where your group of salespeople will work together to perform common sales activities. Okay, common sales activities. What is the sales office? It is the physical location, right? Sales office is nothing but a branch office. Think that branch office only. Like Bangalore branch, Mumbai branch, Pune branch, right? The Tata Motors is having company in the Pune, and whereas they having various sales office within the region. For example, if it is a west region, they have different sales offices within the west region. So Mumbai is the sales office, Pune is the sales office, Nagpur is the sales office. Okay, like that, you will have a Nashik is the sales office, right? Aurangabad is a sales office. So like that, so there will be a different sales offices physically located in multiple cities, where group of people, sales people will sit and work together to perform sales activities. What they do, they bring the order from the customer. They go and visit the customer. Okay, they will discuss. They will get the orders. They will push for the orders. That is the meaning of the sales office. Okay, and sales office belongs to the company that sells the company's product, right? What it is, sales office is, it is also belongs to the company, right? So what they do, they sells their product. They sells their product and services into the market. Which market? Their local cities. Whomsoever nearby that sales office location. So they go visit and they visit the customers. They bring the orders. This is the meaning of sales office. And it is also represented by 4 digits, except distribution channel and division. So if you see this and this is a 2 digit. Okay. If you see the distribution channel, it is defined in the 2 digits alphanumeric letter. This is also 2 digit alphanumeric letter, and this is 3 digit alphanumeric letter. But rest all, it is a 4 digits alphanumeric letter. So why I am explaining? Because how you can easily remember or memorize how the each individual organizational unit will be represented in how many letters. Okay. And sales office will be, see here, if you see this, see, I have maintained some dotted lines. Why this was maintained? Because I told, as I explained, the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. These three together called as a sales area. Okay. These three together called as a sales area. And this sales area, okay, this sales office, always it will be assigned to the sales area. This sales office is assigned to the sales area. Okay. And who is responsible to create this sales office? Again, it is a part of sales and distribution organizational unit. The SD consultant is responsible to define or create a sales office in real-time project. How you can differentiate, how you can define your sales officers? By using a major cities. Bangalore sales office, Hyderabad sales office, Mumbai sales office, right? Within the major cities, within the, even though within the state, you have a major metropolitan cities. Based on that, you can define, because usually the company also will go for the, like, choose the locations and they will construct the particular sales office, or they can go for the hiring on rental basis also. Next organizational unit is sales group. Simple. If you have sales office, within the sales office, you have a group of peoples. Those group of people, what they do, they perform the sales activities. Why they do the perform the sales activities? To reach their targets, right? To reach their targets. For example, for example, if you have the general division, okay, general medicine, the sales group team will be one. Okay, based on the, based on the divisional wise, okay, there will be a group of people. Okay, this sales group is called as sales group 1. Sales group 1. Better, I will delete this. I will mention here sales group 1. And whatever the dental care product is there, it will be sales group 2. Sales group 2. And this is sales group 3 and sales group 4. There are 4 groups. They will perform the sales activities for to sell their particular divisional products. Okay, and they achieve the monthly targets. It is the meaning of the sales group. What it is? A team or a group of sales people works together to achieve sales target for a particular product line. See, it is particular product line means division, or each division is called as a sales group. Okay, and each sales group will be formed for each division. As I explained, the each division, for the each division there will be each sales group will be formed. Okay, and this group will take care only the general medicine. This group will take care only the dental care products. This group will take care only the cardiology products. This group will take care only dermatology products. Okay, and what they do, salespeople performance will be monitored. Their whatever may be the performance, sales performance for the monthly, yearly, quarterly, half yearly, it will be monitored from the management. This is the meaning of sales group, right? And these sales group will be seated in each sales office. Whatever may be the different 4 groups are there, they can sit in the each sales office also. And it is represented by, as I said, it is a 3-digit alpha numeric code. And the relation, it is always it is many to many, because it is assigned to sales group will be assigned to sales office, and relation is many to many. If you see here, sales group will be assigned to sales office and the relation is many to many. Okay. And who is responsible? As it is a part of SD organizational unit, the SD consultant is responsible for to create a sales group in the real-time project. As I explained, there is a division, and for each division there is a sales group. Division, sales group. Division, sales group. Right? This is about the sales group. Next, plant. So now we completed from here to here. Okay. Now we are discussing on the left part of the organizational unit. These 3. So plant. Already I have explained multiple times during the business process scenario, right? The business process scenario. What is a plant? Plant is a physical location. It is a physical location, and it may be a manufacturing facility or it may be a storage facility. So in SAP, as I explained earlier, the plant is not a manufacturing facility only. It is a storage facility also. Normally, when we talk in general, so usually plant, so the meaning of plant means we think as it is a manufacturing facility only, where the goods are manufactured or produced. But in SAP terminology, even though the warehouse or depot or stockyards or right warehouses or distribution centers, those called as a plant. So because of that, so we may create the warehouses or distribution centers, right, as a plant in the SAP. Plant is a physical location where manufacturing or production of finished goods takes place. Okay, and plant is a highest organizational unit in MM and PP. Both MM and PP, the for the both the models, the plant is a highest organizational unit. And in SAP, see, I have mentioned already one more sentence or one more important point in SAP, a storage facility, that is warehouse, distribution centers, also termed as plants. Also termed as plant. Hence, both manufacturing unit or manufacturing facility and warehouses or distribution centers are called as a plant. Okay, and it is represented by 4-digit alphanumeric code. Plant will be assigned to a company code. See, if you see the plant here from here to here, okay, it is assigned to a company code. And this shipping point also it is assigned to here. See, this arrow mark, whatever it is shown now, this is for shipping point. But this arrow mark, it is for plant to company code. So plant will be assigned to a company code. And relation is, if you compare from many plant to company code, if you do the relation from plant to company code, it is many to one. I will explain you how. Company code to plant, it is one to many. Let me explain this concept, how the plant many to one and many, one to many. So for example, this is a Tata Motors. Okay. This is Tata Motors company code. Company. Okay. And this Tata Motors company code, okay, they are having, just I'm explaining you, they are having the automobile manufacturing plant. This is a plant one. This is a plant one, okay, in Pune. Pune location. This is a manufacturing facility, okay. Then I may take another brand. So new plant. So now, sorry,
एक जैसे टीचर दो भेजा था सर आपने
can you mute someone?
अभी तो रूम आ गया हूँ कल देखता हूँ
Hello.
यार महीने के ऊपर हो गया कस्टमर हैंग पे आ रहा है हमारे
पता नहीं चेक हो गया हूँ सर महीने भर से तो चेक हो गया हूँ
तो चेक हुआ तो बिल भी होना चाहिए ना
देखता हूँ सर कल
Sorry guys. Okay. The plant 2. Okay. Now Tata is having a some project plan to go for the, okay, takeover of plant from Ford company. That is Ford company, which is located in Chennai. Plant to Chennai location. Okay. They are having some plan. So this is two plant. Okay. And think that one more plant in future. Okay. In future, they are going to, okay, they are going to install or they are going to establish in Noida location also. Noida location. Okay. See, these three plants are belongs to Tata plant, Tata Motors only. They are into vehicle manufacturing. For example, this is only for passenger vehicles. Just time example vehicles, and this is for only commercial vehicles. This is for both. It is PV and it is for CV. Both they are into manufacturing. Okay. And these Tata Motors, they are having 3 locations plant. Always these 3 plants are belongs to Tata Motors company only, right? This is company code. So because of that, this plant transaction will be hitted into this company code, and whatever may they do manufacture, they do sell, and they do store, they do anything, they, it will be okay, it will be reflected in this books of account. Okay, in this books of account. And this is also same. So it means the one company code will have many plants. Clear? If you compare company code to plant from here to here, so this will be a one to many. Correct? So if you compare the relation plant to company code, what will be the relation? It is, these are the plants and this is a company code. This is one company code, this is many plants. It is relation is many to one. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. See, if you have in between doubt now, you can feel free to unmute yourself and you can raise your queries. Don't be silent, huh? Because very interesting, and you have to understand each and every concept, because tomorrow you are going to become a consultant, so you have to interact with the business, right? Business clients. So whenever you are interacting, you have to adopt these concepts. So then it is many to one. I have explained the relation. And who is responsible for to create a plant in real-time project? Usually, even though it is a higher sales organization or higher organizational unit for the both the modules, but usually the consultant is responsible for to create a or define a plant in real-time project. Okay. And as I explained, all manufacturing plants, warehouses, depots, stockers, distribution centers are termed as plant. Okay. Next. So storage location. See, whenever if you have a plant, right? This is a manufacturing plant. Okay. And manufacturing plant, within the manufacturing plant, you have a assembly line, right? You have a raw material area, raw material receipt area, right? And finished product location or or storage area, and some may quality inspection location also. For the separate where the quality inspection is pending, you will have a separate storage location, that is quality inspection storage location, where all quality pending products will be stored in quality storage location. And in some cases you have a return goods storage location, right? These many, usually whenever you see the manufacturing facility, you will have a these many commonly storage locations. For this, it is a one storage location. I can say S lock 1. Okay, this is S lock 2. Okay, this is S lock 3, and this is S lock 4, and this is S lock 5. It is nothing but a storage. LOC means location 1, storage location 2, storage location 3, storage location 4, storage location 5. Sometimes this may called as a PRD1 location production line. Okay, usually raw material storage in RMSL. Usually, this is finished product FGSL, quality inspection QASL. Okay, and returnable goods RESL. So like this, you can define your storage location within the plant. Okay, within the plant. This storage location means what? Whenever your products, raw materials has been procured, where you will keep those raw material? It will be kept in raw material receipt area, right? Whenever you receive the raw material, it will be stored in raw material storage location. That location is called as a storage location. It is a physical location maintained within the plant. Storage location is nothing but a it is a physical location which is maintained in within the plant. Okay, and where you will store your raw material, finished goods, okay, semi-finished goods and spare parts. Okay, see, it is a physical location inside the plant where materials or goods are stored. Materials or goods, maybe it is raw material, it may be semi-finished product, it may be a finished product, okay, it may be a written products. It is also represented by 4 digits alphanumeric code, and storage location will be maintained within a plant. Okay, this is very important parameter, maintained. Okay, we are not going to assign, we are going to maintain. Okay, the plant always will have a storage location within the plant. So because of that, the terminology used as a maintain. And whenever we create or define the storage location into the SAP, okay, into the SAP system, you will do the definition and assignment. So especially for storage location, definition part and assignment, not it is assignment, actually maintaining part will be done during definition itself. This word you remember. Again, I am going to explain during the assignment process. Okay, so this storage location will be defined, or definition part, and maintaining part will be done during definition itself. And who is responsible for to create the storage location? It is the responsibility of consultant, because plant which is comes under the storage location will be maintained under plant, and plant is also consultant, and storage location also consultant, because it is belongs to the material storage. When we talk about the materials, it is a material management. And as I explained, the example: raw material storage location, finished goods storage location, written goods storage location, quality inspection storage locations. Based on the business user, like business clients requirement, you have to create, like consultant will create the different storage locations. So this is about the storage location, and relation will be many to many. Many plant may have many storage locations. Okay, many to many. And shipping point, last but not least, it is very important parameter, without this organizational unit, we cannot receive the material, we are not able to sell our products. This is a very important organizational unit. Why? Because this is a physical location within the plant or inside the plant where we do the dispatching activities or loading and unloading activities. In normal terminology, it is a shipping activities. Shipping means either it may be a receipt of raw materials, offloading within the plant or within the shipping point, and the finished products loading into the trucks. It is a physical location inside the plant where we load goods into trucks. Load goods into trucks, it is a outbound. Whenever you sell your, whenever you sell your products, shipping point. Shipping point is nothing but it is a physical location or exit point of the plant, plant where where shipping activities will be carried out. Will be carried out. What shipping activities? One is a loading, another is a unloading. Loading and unloading. Loading of finished products. Loading of finished products means outward. It is outward dispatches. It is also called as a outbound process. Outbound process. So many terminology you have to remember. What is the outbound? What is the inbound? Okay. Outbound means whenever we sell our products to the customer, where you move the goods from your factory to customer location, that process is called as a outbound process or outbound dispatches. And here unloading means it is raw material. It is inward receipts. Or we call it as a goods receipts, or we call it as a inbound process. Okay. Whenever you receive a raw material from the supplier, you will do offload at your shipping point location. Then after that, inspection will be carried out with the help of quality team. Once they made okay, this raw material may be moved to raw material storage location. Okay. And this finished product, so it will be bring from the particular finished goods storage location. This finished goods storage location is there na. Whenever the logistics team get an delivery order from the sales team, so delivery order will be issued by the sales team. Whenever the sales team will issue the delivery order, the logistics or warehouse team will pick the FG stock from FGSL storage location. FGSL storage location, and it will be shifted to where? Shifted to shipping point. Okay. This is about the shipping point. And some companies they have manual shipping points, and some companies they have auto shipping points. What is manual shipping points? So simple. It is manual shipping point means where manpower or labor will do manual loading, and we call it as offloading or unloading. Both are same only. Offloading of goods or materials. Wherever this is shipping point is location, correct? Manual shipping point means it is the location where manpower or labor will do manual loading and offloading of goods or materials. Here, machines will load or offload the materials. Usually where auto shipping point? In assembly line itself. In assembly line itself, you have a cranes, right? You have a forklifts, right? You have a overhead cranes, or you have a hydra forklifts. Those kind of machineries which will be used for the loading. That loading will be called as a, that location where you will do loading and offloading with the help of machines will be called as a auto shipping points. Okay. See, it is a physical location inside the plant where we load the goods into trucks for dispatching it to the customer, or unload the raw materials which we receive from the vendor. And shipping point is a plant's exit point. So it is nothing but a plant's exit gate where loading and unloading activities will be takes place. It is represented by 4 digits alphanumeric code. It is also 4 digits alphanumeric code, and shipping point will be assigned to plant. Always this shipping point is there, right? This shipping point will be assigned to plant. And it is relation is many to many, and it is a part of sales and distribution. And even though sometimes it is a part of also, but usually the sales will be always, it is comes forward. So because of that, it is a SD consultant is responsible for to create a shipping point here. Shipping point in real-time scenario. And as I explained, there is a manual shipping point. Loading and unloading will be done by labor, and automatic shipping point, it is a machine loading and offloading. Unloading. This is about the enterprise structure. Okay. So with this, we have discussed about the entire definition part. This part. This is a definition. If you have any doubt, you can raise a question.
Hi, sir.
1 minute. Yes, Naresh.
Sir, as you mentioned, like from MM or ESG side, there are different highest organizational unit, right? For MM, it is plant, and for ESG, it is sales organization, right?
Correct.
So, but the company code will be the highest organizational unit for all of them, right?
Correct.
So, if interviewer asks, then what we can say, like company code or plant or organization, sales organization?
See, normally now you are learning what? You are learning sales and distribution.
Yes.
Right? Normally, the interviewer will generally, he will ask SD related questions only. Sometimes,
Yes, sir.
to know your depth of knowledge, he may ask what is the higher organizational unit for the FI module. Then what is your answer? If he
Company
asks,
code.
so it is, since it is belongs to the FI module, always in FI module, the company code is a highest level of organizational unit. Whereas if it comes to the SD module, it is always a sales organization.
Okay, so
Clear?
means
Normally
for
he
that
will ask, correct, he will ask particular module, not he will ask general.
Okay. So from particular module for sales for SD, it's a sales organization.
Correct.
And for overall, it is company code.
Overall means, see, always whenever there is a company or business, they must have the finance module, right? Followed by the other modules. Here the FI is father of all the modules. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Because finance is take care of about the in and out, both how much it is incoming, how much you have invested, how much you are earning. Without any investment, how you can run the business, how you can hire the employees, how you can procure the materials, how you can sell your products. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your doubt is clear, Naresh?
Yeah.
Fine. Others? Others?
No, sir.
No,
Fine.
sir.
Fine. Thank you. Let us go for the assignment part. Assigning means linking or mapping of one organizational unit to other organizational unit. See, assignment is here only. So mapping of each organizational units to form a business. Now, if you see this structure, right? If you are see this structure, so how it is interlinked to one unit to another unit or one block to another block. See here, if you see the company and company code. Okay, not here. So let us go our Excel sheet better for better understanding. I have made some changes. So you ignore about this client. Client is it is a server. Okay, it is a just server. Whenever you log in, it is just server. It is a development server. Think that it is a development system. So now I want to link company and company code. Always, as I explained, there is a Tata Group it is a company where it is a group company or diversified business company. It is having a company code called Tata Motors or Tata Steel. So this Tata Steel will be assigned to a company. The company code or company will be assigned to a company code. Okay. So Tata Steel and company, they have the link. And company, the Tata Group and the Tata Motors, it is having a link. And Tata Group and Tata Consumables, this is also link. So we will assign our company code to company. Always we will assign this company code to company. If you see here, let me log into the SAP, you will get understand. What is the T code? SPRO. SPRO. SAP Project Reference Object. Okay. This is a IMG. SAP Reference IMG Implementation Guide. If you click this, you will be directly entered into the implementation guide screen. Or else, if you want to directly come to that screen instead of two-step, you have to type here SIMG. SIMG is the T code. Here S stands for SPRO, IMG stands for implementation guide. Okay, you can use two-step method or one-step method by using a various T codes. Okay, so here this is the implementation guide. Usually all the functional module consultant and above consultant will do the configuration and customization. Okay, so we'll start with the enterprise structure. There is a enterprise structure node, okay, or path. If you if you drop down it, there will be a definition part, there will be a assignment part. Now whatever we have discussed till now, it is a definition part. Now whatever now I started to explain, this is company code to company, that is a assignment part. Okay, let me see the assignment part. So when you talk about discussed about the company or company code, always remember those will be comes under financial accounting folder. Okay, this is a financial accounting. Here see, assign company code to company. Clear? Here assign company code to company. if you see my company earlier, I have created ARPH is my company code. It is it is my Arvind Pharmacy company, and company code is Arvind Pharma Group. I have assigned my company code to company. Assign company code to company. This is the assignment part. Okay. Company code to company. Similarly, the next after these two, next is what? Sales organization to company code. Here, the sales organization will be assigned to company code. Right? If you see here, so when we are discussing about the sales organization to company code, sales organization means which will comes under which module? It is a part of SD module. It is a SD, sales and distribution. Assignment, sales and distribution. Go here, assign sales organization to company code. Assign sales organization to company code. So my company code is, so my sales organization is ARPH. I have assigned my sales organization to my company code, that is ARPH. This is a corporate office. I am assigning my corporate office to my company code, that is Arvind Pharma. Pharmacy is a company code. For example, Tata corporate office, Tata corporate office, which is located in Mumbai, will be assigned to Tata Motors Pune company code. This is the assignment of sales organization to company code. Next. So these three are over now. Now I am coming to distribution channel to sales organization and division to sales organization. So my distribution channel will be assigned to a sales organization and division will be assigned to sales organization. If you see here, again it is a part of SD, right? It is a part of SD. Assignment will be from distribution channel to sales organization and division to sales organization. If you click this, you see this, ARPH is my sales organization. My sales organization, see, I have many distribution channel. This is my sales organization. This is my sales organization. Same sales organization. Only one sales organization will have a multiple distribution channels. One is a retail, another is a wholesale. Similarly, you can have other also, e-commerce. So always that is when you discuss about the relationship between the sales organization to distribution channel, it is always many to many. Even though this, for example, this is a north regional sales organization, and here I am having a south regional sales organization, belongs to the same company. Okay, and north sales organization may use both retail and wholesale, and south regional also will use retail and wholesale. So because of that, it is a many to many. Okay, many to many. Parallelly, same division to sales organization. So here, assign division to sales organization. So ARPH is the sales organization. See, my ARPH sales organization will have a various divisions. That is a dermatology division, general medicine division. There may be a cardiology. Just predict that there is a, see again there is a one cardiology. There is again one dental care. Okay, I can create n number of entries by linking my division to my sales organization. And these same sales organization, same divisions can be assigned to my north regional sales organization and south regional sales organization, east regional sales organization, and west region sales organization. Because of that, it is many to many. Okay, many to many. And combination of three, what I have told, combination of these three will be called as a sales area. Sales area is nothing but the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. If you see here, go back, set up sales area. Set up sales area. If you see ARPH, this is sales organization, distribution channel, and division. If I want to see particularly my sales organizations or my sales area, go here selection. Okay, go here selection. Click on by contents. Okay, click on by contents. Click on the sales organization. Continue. Okay, here you type your sales organization name. Okay, or code. Then select this. Click on select. See, you will get only your particular sales area. There is no other sales area. Only you can see your particular sales area. One sales area, another sales area. See, I have only if I have two distribution channels, if I have two divisions, okay, and if I have one sales organization, what is the combination? One sales organization, two distribution channel, and two division. How many sales areas should be there? 4, right? So let us see. Let me create another 2. Click on this, copy as, okay, here A1, here AR. This is one more combination. Here AR, here A1. Enter. Enter. Save. Go back. Again selection by contents, ARPH, select, see, 4 sales organization. A1 retail can sell their product. Retail, retail can be, this product can be sell through retail, and this product can sell through retail, and this product also can sell through wholesale. This product can sell through wholesale. This is the meaning of the distribution channel and division. And this is my corporate office. Next, sales area is over. Now, the sales office to the sales area. This is a sales area dotted line, and sales office always it will be assigned to the sales area. Go back, assign sales office to sales area. See, if you see here, again go by contents. So what is your sales organization? Select sales organization. Select this, ARPH, select. You can see your own sales area. Again, since you have 4 different sales area, you can assign all the 4 sales area with your sales office. That can also you can do. Just I will show one more example by copy. Click this, select this, click on copy as. I will use here A1 and here A1. For this sales area, I am assigning my sales office. Enter, save. So next, if you see here by content, select, see you will get 2. Again, you can create 2 more because we have a total 4 sales area. For this 4 sales area, you will assign your sales office. This is Hyderabad sales office, and same for the again 4 sales area. You can assign Mumbai sales office. You can assign your Bangalore sales office. So it is many to many. Many to many. And what is next? Sales group to sales office. Here, assign sales group to sales office. Click on this. Again, selection by content. Go here, sales office. What is your sales office? It is the ARPH. Select this. See, you can see here. So if you have multiple sales office, you can assign your multiple sales group. Here I have mentioned only one sales group. If you have multiple sales group, you can assign for for multiple sales group also. It is based on the product wise, right? Product wise or division wise. It is many to many. Now, this entire vertical part is over. Okay. There is another diagonal line also there. There is another, the left side vertical part also there. Diagonal means this portion. Which portion? Distribution channel, sales organization. And this is one diagonal or one cross sales units. Another diagonal is plant, sales organization, distribution channel. The combination of sales org plus distribution channel is called as sales line. Sales line means how you will sell your product. The channel and the corporate office. The channel and the corporate office, the combination of channel and corporate office will gives a sales line. Okay. And the combination of, so that's why I have mentioned here this distribution channel and organization, sales organization, I have mentioned here sales line. Now I have mentioned here distribution chain. It is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and the plant. What is the distribution chain? Distribution chain. Combination of sales org plus distribution channel to a delivering plant. Usually plant or delivering plant one and then same. Okay. Delivering plant. This combination is called as a distribution chain. Here I will mention here. Sales line. Okay. If you see here, okay, we will not have this. Okay, this portion we will not have this sales organization and distribution channel, but we will have the assignment of the plan to sales organization and distribution channel. Here you can see only last step is assign sales organization distribution channel to plant. If you see here by contents, if you go to your sales organization, is ERPH. See, ERPH, A1, ERPH. This is a sales organization. This is a distribution channel. This is a delivering plant. This is sales organization. This is a distribution channel. This is a delivering plant. Okay. I think here someone has created long read, and this is also blank. Delete this. Only two are there. Okay, because I have only two distribution channels and one sales organization. If you have multiple, again, here it is e-commerce. You can add your sales organization, e-commerce distribution channel, and then plant. Okay. This is the assignment of sales organization and distribution channel to a delivering plant. Next. Here. This is 7th one is complete. Now, plan to company code. Which one? This to this. Plan to company code. As I told, plan to company code relation is, it is many to one. Many to one. And whenever we talk about the plant, usually where you will find, it is part of, even though material management, but it will comes under, I think, logistics general, because plant is responsible to do the logistical activities. Logistical activities means movement of the goods. even though it is belongs to the material management, but plant is it is responsible for to movement of the goods, right? It is conversion process, right? It is there will be a production process. Always within the plant, you will see the multiple movement of your products. Because of that, it will comes under logistics general. Here you can see the node, okay, assign plant to company code. Assign plant to company code. Assign plant to company code. If you see my company code or plant, see this is my plant, ARPH is my plant. My ARPH plant, this plant is assigned to this company code. And if you have another plant, for example, ARP2, another plant, so you can assign that plant to this company code. Okay. So this is about the plant to company code. And storage location within the plant, as I explained this part. Which part? Definition part. For storage location, definition part and maintaining part will be done during the definition itself. So we have to go to the definition part, not this assignment part. Because if you see here in material management, there is no any storage location. Even though in logistics general also, there is no any storage location, right? Storage location will be always, it will be there here under material management, maintain storage location. Maintain definition, enterprise structure, definition. Under definition, you will have a material management. Under the material management, there is a maintain storage location. Click on this. It will ask to enter your plant code. ARPH is my plant code. Press enter. See, I have maintained two storage location. If you want to new storage location, for example, I have a finished goods, I have a RM storage location. I want to enter the return storage location. RESL. I will maintain return goods slot. Okay. Only this much digits we can accommodate. Return goods. Okay, slot. Okay. Just save this. Enter. Continue. Go back. See, you can see earlier it was 2. Now I have added this. So why I said the assignment, right? Why I have said this definition part and maintaining part will be done in definition itself, means I am defining, I am maintaining. This is a defining part. Whatever I have entered here, this is a definition part, and this definition part also assigned to this plant code. So two steps I am maintaining in one step only. Clear? If you want to enter this particular storage locations address, you can enter here. You can enter here by click on new entries. You can enter here the address of the storage location. For example, someone doesn't know where the FGSL, finished goods storage location, is there in the within the plant. If they have maintained like nearby production line area or some address, whatever may be. If they have within the plant, they have different address, they can maintain here address for easy tracing. Okay, just select this. If you click this, you will go to new entries. You can maintain the address for the finished goods storage locations. I will explain you during the definition and the assignment part. Now, last but not least, shipping point will be assigned to plant. Shipping point will be assigned to plant. Where it will be again under a assignment. This is the assignment. Always, whenever shipping point comes into the picture, always remember there is a logistics execution of the logistics process. Performing the logistical activities. What are the logistical activities? Loading and unloading. So this, remember, like these wordings are there now. It is very important to remember to identify or to trace where you have to do the definition and assignment part. Okay, now here in under logistics execution, see assign shipping point to plant. Click on this. There are plenty of the plants are there. Whatever this higher level, this plant is there, na, this is a plant. And under the plant, you have a shipping point. This is plant, this is shipping point. This is plant, this is shipping point. What is my plant here? Control F. Click on Control F. Enter your plant code. Press enter. So you will go directly, you will come, you see, you will get this pop-up. Click on this top one. So you will go to your plant. You can see your, this is the plant, this is the shipping point. I have only one shipping point. Clear? This is how we can maintain. I will show you tomorrow how we can define each and every organizational unit and how we can assign each organizational unit to other organizational unit. This is all about the enterprise structure, both definition and assignment part. Clear, guys? So tomorrow what we'll do, we'll define each and every company code, sales organization, each and every units. I will mention their code of the how we will define our company code in real-time scenario. What are all the parameters, like how we are going to define that I am going to explain, and parallelly assignment part also. I will create one more table like this at the bottom, and we'll do the assignment part also. If you have any doubt, please ask.
No doubt, sir.
I think, hope this is very clear, right? Every concept has been cleared and understood.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
How do you feel all? Say whether you are able to understand the concepts.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are able.
Okay. And if you have any doubt, do not hesitate. Okay, you can ping me at any time in the group. And moreover, you have to do more interaction in the group. Someone should share some information, like you are learning, right? So daily, whenever you are getting a free time, you are reading something, just share those kind of knowledges, because it will be boost up to everyone. Then everyone will be get motivated to learn more and to share more and more knowledgeable information. If you are keep calm or silent, then how can like each other will do the interactions? You have to become a learning buddy here, right?
Yes.
Then only, see, if you do more interaction, then more knowledge will be gained. Otherwise, if you are keep calm and silent, no interaction, nothing, then it is very difficult. Srivani, Shreya, and Nagesh, I didn't hear your voice also till date. I'm hearing Naresh, Kishore, and Manikant, and other Laj Lakshmi, and some Vishwateja. So only these members are like, no problem. If you are having some hesitation or afraid, there is no problem. But please feel free. So tomorrow onwards, again, the Shobha will continue, and Suchita will join because she has been assigned some shift activities. So she is working in shift duties. She could not able to get the time to join. And Akash is not feeling well. What about Sanket, Naresh? What he told? So he was traveling, right?
Yes,
Yes,
he
sir.
is traveling to.
Yeah, he has texted me. Actually, he was traveling. He told, sir, tomorrow I will join. Hope tomorrow onwards I will see all the strength. And meanwhile, those who got the access, try to practice, try to see the server speedness, and try to see the server performance. If you are facing any difficulties, okay, you have the number also there. If you do not have, I will share also, and parallelly you can inform me also. I will directly coordinate with them and I will push them to make it clear. Okay, friends.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, but both practice करो, अच्छा से सीखो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो, bye.
Bye.
Happy evening.